Hello everyone! For this video, we're gonna make use of some scratch papers. Before we start, prepare the following. In a cardboard, cut out your name. Then cut the scratch papers into strips. Roll the scratch papers and use some glue to lock the end of the paper. Then, paste the rolled papers into the cardboard. Make a lot of rolled papers until the whole cardboard is covered. Paint the artwork with anything you like.
Before you end this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.
Tada! We're done!